At AMETEK National Controls Corporation, our success is driven by the ongoing needs of our customers. We are the leader in the design, development, and manufacture of sophisticated electronic controls and components. For many years, we have supported a host of other world-class manufacturers in developing new solutions that improve the way we live, work, and play. With the support of our parent company, AMETEK Incorporated, a global leader in the field of electronic instruments and electromechanical devices, National Controls Corporation will continue to expand our reach into a wide array of markets and industries. Our products are found on a wide range of industrial equipment, from welders and compressors to 3D printers. Among the many environmental applications our products serve are factory dust collection equipment and commercial steam rooms. NCC also serves the food service market with specialized components that can be found on everything from grills and fryers to coffee makers and ice cream machines. Our extensive network of reliable distributors supports our customers worldwide with a catalog of standard items and global shipping capabilities. Our reputation for strong engineering and product development support drives our continuing new product innovation. We maintain a global team of software, design, and electrical engineers to ensure key adaptability of our products for specific markets. We work hand in hand with our dedicated NCC sales force to deliver the creative solutions our loyal customers require. Utilizing computer-aided design software, AMETEK NCC can determine the best course of action, quickly develop prototypes in our fully equipped model shop, and work to get the agency certifications our customers need to move forward at a blazing speed. Once our assumptions are proven, they receive continued support when moved into our state-of-the-art climate-controlled manufacturing facilities. We employ cutting-edge processes while always implementing best practices. We test component products when they are received from a vendor, while they are in process, and prior to packaging to ensure NCC quality is built into every part we ship. We take pride in our 99% on-time delivery and gold supplier ratings from our customers. We've built our business on integrity, passion, and technical superiority. Those qualities are the heartbeat of everything we do. Whether our customers buy standard timers and relays or embark on a full development effort with our engineers designing a next-generation LCD touchscreen control, they are assured of receiving the support and attention that is synonymous with the AMETEK name. This quest for excellence is baked into our DNA as part of our corporate culture. Please explore further how AMETEK NCC can help you develop, innovate, and deliver reliable products. Contact us at 800-323-2593 or visit our website at ametekncc.com.